Well, howdy do. This is how to replace, well, this is replacing a switch. Once upon a time, I was a guitar player in a guitar band, and heck, we even had a garage. Look at that. And one day I decided I needed one of these. I needed myself a Les Paul. Always wanted one. And I'll hint this is an Epiphone, but that's probably why this switch broke. It wouldn't stay in rhythm, or maybe it was treble, one of the two. So I flipped it over. I took the back panel off, and I turned this looking into this, got that little ring loose on there, then flipped it over and looked at the wiring, green, white, red, and compared it to my replacement switch, which looks like that. Yeah, that looks like it'll fit. Here's what was wrong with the old one. That pivot pin, see how it in the threads there, it's at an angle? That ain't right. And then when I turn it over and look at the other side, well, it's broken. No wonder that switch was just flopping around. No fixing it. Here's what a good one looks like. Just beautiful, beautiful thing. It's a work of art. Time to put some heat to it and start soldering. No, no, no. Yeah, no. Get one of these, or a friend that's got one of these. This is probably the best tool to use for the job, even though that's not what I use. But green, white, red. That's what you do. And I always try to remember it. Green, white, Madagascar. Nah, that's not really quite doing it. Mexico, that's green, white, red, but the animal in the middle. No, okay, Italy. Here we go, green, white, red. So what I did was I undid the ground wire so I could get to green, white, red a little easier, and I unsoldered those. I was using this behemoth here because that's what I had, and I'm kind of a dweeb, so that's what I used, and it worked okay. Green, white, red. I got it done, and it worked. In other words, it's in the guitar. I let my dog do a little QC on it afterwards, and that's it. So here we are with the switch replaced. Rhythm, both, and what they call treble.